Hello my dear friends, welcome to this video. I am Sivakumar Palaniyappan, helping you become an effective leader in your professional journey. In this video, I am going to talk about a very fundamental skill that you must possess, which is your thinking skills. Come on my dear friends, let's get inside the video. Let me ask you a fundamental question. When did you learn to think? Have you ever had a class or a subject or a teacher coming to you and teaching you this is how you have to think systematically? Unfortunately, my dear friends, in our education system, we don't have a course or a subject or a class or a teacher who is teaching us how to think. Not in middle school, primary school, middle school, high school, undergrad, postgrad. We spend more than 24 years in academic system. In this whole journey, nowhere, unfortunately, nowhere we are taught how to think, how to use your brain to think systematically. Thinking skills is not part of our curriculum, of our syllabus, and unfortunately, we don't learn to think in our school. We just learn to think in our own ways with our experiences. But you know what? There is a huge difference between people who are extraordinary, who are creators, innovators, great achievers, and all of those people always think about how they think. They continuously sharpen, improve their thinking skills, thinking abilities, thinking methods. But unfortunately, most of us do not have time enough to think about our thinking process. When was the last time you spent some time thinking about how you are thinking? Maybe we'll do it now. Pause this video, take few seconds and start thinking, how do I think? What framework, what methods, what structure I use to think? How do I organize my thoughts? How do I organize my ideas? How do I communicate things very clearly, effectively? One of the fundamental skills to communicate, to influence, to persuade, all of them is the basic skill of thinking skills. If you cannot think systematically, if you cannot think properly, how will you organize your thoughts? How will you communicate what you want to communicate? How will you solve problems? How will you take decisions as a professional in the corporate world? So my dear friends, the base skill, a fundamental skill that everyone must possess is thinking ability. In our education system, more than thinking, we have been trained on reading, learning and memorizing things. We are continuously trained to memorize tables, memorize chemical equations, physics formulas, principles and theorems, poems and subjects and theories. We are very smart in memorizing information, recalling them in examination, writing them and moving on in life. We are not trained systematically to think. What exactly is thinking? Thinking is just the way you use your knowledge. We gain a lot of knowledge in our school, in our college. We learn a lot. Even today we learn a lot in workshops, in programs, online platforms, TED videos. We consume a lot of information. We gain a lot of knowledge from so many sources. End of the day, do we put all of them to use in the thinking process? Am I thinking? Am I cognitively applying them to synthesize, to evaluate, to measure, to judge? If I'm not doing all of this, I'm only assimilating information, adding more and more information, knowledge to my repository, but I'm not using it sensibly. Your ability to evaluate, analyze, synthesize, comprehend, organize and take proper decisions using all your knowledge is what exactly is a fundamental thinking skill. There are a number of ways you can think. For example, critical thinking, creative thinking, first order thinking, secondary thinking, lateral thinking, logical thinking. In this video, I'm going to help you learn one fundamental technique, a very simple yet very powerful technique with which you can think better. That is asking questions, my dear friends. Many of you as 3-year-old, 4-year-olds were asking lot of questions to your parents, grandparents and teachers. But for some reason, as we grow into adolescent, we stopped asking questions. Have you noticed this in your workplace? I have seen this all the time. I go to a kindergarten school, I deliver a talk or a speech, end of the talk, any questions? Everybody is having questions. Sir, I want to ask question. Every single child in the crowd has a question or has many questions which they want to ask. They are not worried about what somebody will think. Will somebody bully me? Will it be wrong? No inhibitions. Lot of enthusiastic participation. I go to a college, university, I go to a corporate field, a large company, I deliver a 30-minute, 40-minute talk, an inspiring talk with all voice modulation, stories and so on and so forth. End of the whole talk, I ask any questions? There is a pin drop silence. Everybody is looking down or looking up or looking somewhere through the window and not looking at me. It takes some time for one of them in one corner to ask a question. When somebody starts the whole engine, then the engine starts running very slowly. One by one will ask question. Otherwise, everybody is quiet. Let somebody ask a question. Why should I ask? Let someone ask. Everybody keep quiet. Have you seen this in your company, in your organization, in your university? As we grow up, we stop asking questions. That is a huge problem in the way of our thinking process. If you want to become a better thinker, the very minimum basic requirement is your ability to ask questions. Don't believe in whatever you see, whatever you hear, whatever you read. Ask when, what, how, why, who. Asking more and more curious questions triggers your thinking skills and make you a much better thinker, my dear friends. If you want to improve your thinking skills, the minimum thing that you can do is start asking questions. Thank you and wish you all the very best.